This is the Environmental Compliance Guidance Agent. Manufacturing facilities operate under strict environmental permits for emission and waste handling. However, most compliance problems are identified too late during inspections or after violations already occur. This agent shows how environmental compliance agent proactively detects operational risk during live executions, assigns corrective ownership immediately, and prevents violation before thresholds are breached. Let us go through the agent. Here, the agent analyzes live emission signals and identifies facilities operating dangerously close to environmental permit thresholds. We can see Plant A reaching 94% and 93 emission levels, Plant C reaching 92%, along with late operational checks and repeated deviations. These overlapping signals indicate a high probability of near term permit breach. Instead of wasting and for an audit or inspection, the agent immediate intervention by flagging risk operations, assigning corrective ownership, recommending operational adjustments or temporary process pause. Plant A and Plant C are currently the highest priority emissions risk requiring the immediate intervention. Now, the agent shifts focus to waste management execution risk. The system identifies facilities where waste disposal delays are increasing, operational checks are late, and repeated minor deviation indicate unstable compliance conditions. For example, Plan B shows 4 to 5 day disposal delays with repeated deviations. Plan C and Plan A also shows escalating waste related operational export. These conditions increase the likelihood of permitted violations. This is environment compliance driven by prevention instead of reaction. By detecting risk early and guiding intervention during live operations, the environmental compliance agent helps facilities reduce violation, maintain permit stability, and improve operational control before outcomes become irreversible.